if you look at this price structure now, you can see price is also clearly heading to the downside. So I am actually looking around this CPR level. The monthly resistance level has still not been reached yet. Level just like with Bitcoin, before we see another massive move to the upside. Thank you so much for joining in. So looking at this current Bitcoin price action, what is happening right now with Bitcoin? Because we actually talked about this scenario in my previous video, this diamond top pattern. According to this diamond top pattern, the possibility for price to hit to the downside was higher than to the upside. And we also saw yesterday the price actually showed some bearishness, but then we had this massive pump to the upside, breaking this resistance line, and also it indicated, hey, the breakout is actually going to be upside. But few hours after that, we saw a bearish candle and another big bearish candle, which since then the price is also heading to the downside, and you can see it very clearly. Right now where we are is a very important level, because this level, you can see here why the price is actually reacting around this level, because this is exactly our monthly candle close level. And I've already talked about plenty of time in my video that if price comes around this monthly candle close level, depending on the market, it usually gets support and also resistance. So this line here, this visible line, this yellow line, is our monthly candle close level. This is around 11,360 level. So exactly after reaching that, we saw this weak rejection here, and now also this candle is reacting around that particular level. So right now, am I expecting some more price correction? Guys, I am actually looking around this CPR level, the upper line of the CPR level, which is going to be around this 11,000 area. So this 11,000 is my another target area, and my final target area for this pattern would be around this 10,500 level, guys. You know, this 10,000, this is the central CPR level. And those who have recently joined my channel, I have actually linked regarding the CPR indicator. Feel free to check it out. Now, if you look at this here, I personally believe that the price has a high possibility to actually test this monthly CPR before heading to the upside. So now if you include the same scenario with the CPR, let's switch the chart, guys. So guys, now if you look at this price action of Bitcoin here with the ascending triangle, this ascending triangle, the support line has already been broken, and you can see here since then the price is also falling freely. And this yellow line, this is the monthly candle close level which I was talking about, and our target right now is going to be exactly here, guys. This is the central CPR line, and this is the top CPR line, right? And this here is the bottom CPR line. So our eyes are going to be around the central CPR line, which is exactly at 10,560 level, and the upper CPR line, or the top CPR line, which is exactly at this 11,000 level. So what I'm actually expecting is price to come and retest between this line, and then maybe we might see some consolidation up and down before we have a massive break to the upside. So let's see. So far it's panning out really well. And also guys, this scenario here, whole, if you look at this in a whole, you will also see the major trend of Bitcoin is very bullish. Me myself, I'm also very bullish in Bitcoin, but this here is just a short-term analysis, guys, so please keep this in mind. But one thing you should not forget, our monthly resistance level has still not been reached yet. So this means this is completely open target level. So I'm expecting if the price is going to find support, this target level would be reached until the end of this month. And we have seen every time when we are forming this ascending CPR, the price has always tested the R1 level, and you can see here this is not the first time or the second time. The price always tests the R1 level before the month ended. But now in our case, the monthly R1 target level is still open, which is exactly at 12,200 level, guys. So until the end of this month, I highly believe the price is going to cross over this monthly R1 level, which is going to be around 11,200 level, guys. And also I have another very interesting chart. Let me switch that. So guys, now if you look at this price action of Bitcoin here, this chart is from X-Force Global, and the reason why I'm actually showing you this is also the exact opinion I shared with you guys. And I also saw some other traders looking at this similar pattern. That's what actually got my interest, and I thought I will share this with you. You know, I've already talked about this May price movement and our current Bitcoin price movement. This is panning out perfectly, right? So we said if that was panning out perfectly, we will be seeing at least 8% price drop in Bitcoin, and since then we are also seeing a price falling to the downside. And according to this analysis, our target level was around this 12,000 level. So this 12,000 level is the peak. So after reaching this area, the price should reverse. And if you look at this price structure now, you can see price is also clearly heading to the downside. So this here is panning out exactly like we were expecting with the May price action. And now, according to his analysis, his target area is around this 10,640 area, and our target level is at 10,560 area. So it's not big difference, but it's great to see same opinion from different traders, right? So now let's switch into our current price action, guys. So you saw that, right? This price movement here and this price movement, we had so much similarities. So according to this price drop here, and now according to this scenario here, this is also panning out pretty well, because here we also had this ascending triangle, and here we are also seeing an ascending triangle. So according to his analysis, if price is coming around this level, we are completely fine. And also our eyes are going to be around this central CPI level, which is going to be around this 10,500 level. And now if you look at this price action, guys, we are finding actually support around this monthly candle close level, and you can see weak rejection to the downside, weak rejection to the downside. Maybe we can find support here and price could slowly head to the upside. That's also possible. So as I said, right, if the price is going to continue to the upside, we are completely fine with that. But if the price is going to drop and come around this monthly CPI level, we are going to accumulate some more long position from there. So now also I'm actually showing you something very interesting scenario with Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys. So let's switch the chart. So guys, now this here is one very interesting scenario for all Ethereum holders, because if you look at this here on the top, this is Bitcoin USD chart in a weekly time frame, and at the bottom we have Ethereum USD in a weekly time frame. And guys, if you look at this price structure here of Bitcoin from 2014 to 2016, when we had this price pump and consolidation phase of almost like 2 years, and look at this similar scenario, the similar scenario with the Ethereum right now, guys, this is indicating, hey, when Bitcoin actually had this similar price movement, and when it broke the upper line of this horizontal channel or parallel channel, guys, we had this consolidation phase. Price came here to give us a confirmation that, hey, after we had this breakout to the upside, price retested this level, giving us a more confirmation that this area is now a valid support for Bitcoin. Then we had this really nice breakout to the upside, right? So now in similar case with Ethereum right now, this is current Ethereum price, guys. We have also this similar scenario. We had this longer consolidation period, almost 2 years of consolidation period for Ethereum, and then similar breakout. Right now what I am expecting is a consolidation around this particular level, just like with Bitcoin, before we see another massive move to the upside. If you look at this scenario and look at this scenario, this is pointing out that Ether still has plenty of room to grow to the upside, guys. And I'm expecting Ether to show some sideways movement. I mean a consolidation for this month. Maybe we are not going to see some massive move, but hey, look at this. After this consolidation phase, when the price actually broke this level here, also this smaller parallel channel, guys, that was a really bullish confirmation. And after that we saw what happened with Bitcoin. So what I'm expecting, consolidation around this particular level, and then a massive breakout to the upside. So guys, now you can see right now holding some Ethereum is not a bad idea at all. And I also said you when Ether was around $220, I guess, but now it is almost like $400. But if you are looking for a longer run, guys, maybe this is still a really nice opportunity, right? So guys, this is what I actually wanted to share with you in today's video. I know it's a very short video, but hey, I hope you guys enjoyed it. So by saying this, I'm signing off. Bye bye, guys.